Good morning. Good morning. In this video session, I'm going to uh, discuss about air conditioner manufacturing unit finance for entrepreneur. Now, the entrepreneur's lifespan is, in the previous video session, I said 10 years. To get 7 crores 20 lakhs rupees of profit in 10 years, I have to spend 62 crores 80 lakhs. 62 crores 80 lakhs rupees in this 10 years. And that is 2024 January is the beginning period, and 2025 January is the starting date of plant. Plant should run on this day. So, in this 2024 January, how much amount I should have in hand so that, and how much amount I should get this disbursement from the bank. Disbursement from the bank during this 1 year period. So, here to do this exercise, plant cost is what you have to estimate. Plant cost of plant is what you have to estimate. So roughly we can, if you think that 10 crore rupees is the cost of plant, for this 1 year, and remaining 72 crores 80 lakhs for the rest of the period. That means from 25 January to 2037 January, you have to have the amount of, you have to spend an amount of 62 lakhs, 62 crores, 80 lakh rupees. Now, for this 1 year period, I should have a plan of 10 crores in hand and bank disbursement. So, to start this air conditioner business, if I have 1 crore rupees in my hand, on January 24th, 2024, I can complete this project within 1 year. So, The project of construction will start, say, in January 2024. All buildings with equipment, manufacturing equipment, I'll complete. So all these activities will be completed within 1 year. So I'm having 1 crore in my hand and I'm getting 9 crore rupees of disbursement. 9 crore rupees of disbursement during this 1 year period to complete all constructional activities. And by January 2025, the plant is started its manufacturing unit. So the question is, what approach bank before this January 2024 to get this 9 crore rupees of bank disbursement? So you have to submit a project report of this enterprise span of life by the entrepreneur, say 10 years span of life, so that during this first year I am getting a disbursement of 9 crores with this 1 crore rupees in my hand with a complete planning activity, so that this period all construction activities will be construction and purchasing activities, purchasing of equipment, and for this purchase I have to get bank disbursement. Everything should be perfectly planned with dates. Say 1st January 2024, 10th January 2024, like that. June 2024, June 30th 2024, September 2024, like that. This complete planning activity should be there. A plan of activity and execution, a perfect transaction. There should not be any ifs and buts. That means the plan is simply carried out by the 1 crore rupees of cash in hand, 1 crore rupees of cash in hand, and 9 crore rupees of disbursement on the particular dates with a perfect construction of plant. Once this construction of plant will take place, we should start our activity from 1st January 2025 for 10 years. And for the 10 years, the total budget is 62 crores 80 lakhs. And the profit I am getting from the first month is 72 lakhs. In the first month I am getting a profit of, that means I have manufactured 200 air conditioners in first 20 days and I sent all these 20 air conditioners to 10 different places, 20 air conditioners to each selling centers or marketing sales shops, and by 31st January I am getting 72 lakhs as a cash profit in my hand. Now our next investigation of this project is how to spend these 10 years, and how much finance we should have in hand for this 62 crores 80 lakhs, and how much amount we should get from the banks so that a perfect disbursement of the activity can take place, and how to repay. Repay, that means repayment plan. That means I have taken 10 crores. Okay. Out of this 10 crores, how much, how to, that means out of the 62,000, 62 crores 80 lakhs, the bank is giving some X amount, and by January 2037, the Y amount will be repaid to the bank. X amount will be, that is total out of this 10 years of span, like including, if you include this 10 crores of the construction activity, X amount of rupees I am getting from the bank, and by amount of rupees I am repaying to the bank, and Z amount of rupees so out of this X amount of rupees which I am getting from the bank, I am using for all activities that will be carried out in the manufacturing plant or manufacturing unit. So in this in the next video session, we will see what are the activities that are needed in this manufacturing unit, so that this X amount of rupees will be reaching to all the activities. So this is what I would like to tell in this small video session. Thank you for watching the video.